kind of different. As you can see, I'm outside here in a cool garden. It's pretty cool. So we have some aloe vera plant right there. It's cool too. And I just decided to do stuff with the aloe vera plant instead of just letting it sit there. And we're gonna make like an aloe vera smoothie sort of thing. Yeah, just impromptu smoothie thing. Yeah. So let's get some aloe vera. Maybe we can. We're gonna want to try to find some nice thick ones. I'm actually probably not good at this, so Daddy, can you try?
You want me to cut it?
Yeah. There you go. It might be kind of dangerous. So kids, you should probably get your parents to do this. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. It's full of aloe vera gel, and we just want to. Nice. Okay, yeah. So now we're just going to cut off these little spiny edges. Actually, first, this is kind of fun to do. Count about 6 inches, 4 inches, so maybe like here. And kids, don't do this either. This can be kind of dangerous. Hey, do like a samurai sort of thing. And here we're just gonna want to cut off all of these spikes, because we definitely don't want spikes to be on there inside our nice little smoothie juicy thingy, whatever. Yeah, so there we go. Side 1 done. And side 2. Eek. There we go, I think. So here we go. And now we're just going to cut like a little thing right in the bottom skin. And then just kind of try to take the skin off. So there's a nice little portion. That actually looks pretty good. We're gonna keep that though, so we can salvage all of this gel. And, oh gosh, my hands are covered in gel. Green pieces. And also, if you can see, the gel is actually pretty like see-through. It's clear gel, so it's gonna be fun to work with. Gonna be pretty cool. Now we can just cut off the other side right here. Also, if all this stuff tears, it's not that bad because this is all going to be blended up later after we get all the remaining gel into a bowl, maybe. And yeah, so we can just take off any little green spots. So we just need to get a bowl to soak this in water for 15 minutes. And let's go get that. Also, your hands are going to be covered in goop. That's probably fine though. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have a nice little cup, bowl, whatever you like, of water, we can put all our aloe vera gel right in there, and just aloe vera so far. And we can try to cut out all of these remaining pieces right here. So like all these. Nope. It looks like there's a lot of aloe vera gel on here. Or just aloe vera. I think it's, I don't know. Is it aloe vera gel or just aloe vera?
Not sure.
Okay, so after you're done getting all of this slime into the cup or bowl, whatever you're using, we're just gonna leave that there for about 15 minutes to get rid of the bittery taste. sort of, because if you taste this aloe vera, you'll realize that it's super bitter. I tasted some yesterday and it was very, very bitter, so I don't really recommend tasting it. You can, but yeah, yeah. So see you guys after 15 minutes. So now that we have our aloe vera soaked in the water for 15 minutes-ish, we're just going to spoon it out. Sorry. Eek. Kind of hard because aloe vera is really slippery. Uh-oh. There you go. So we're just going to take this. Try to have as little water as you can. Put it in. That should be good. You probably don't need any of that. And now we're just gonna put in this water. Okay, so now just for sweetness, I don't have honey or many fruits right now. I only have like one apple. I'm not sure that'd be great. It's better if you have bananas or carrots or stuff like that, and honey for a sweetener. But we're just gonna try to use maple syrup and hope it works. I don't really know if this is gonna work. Oh gosh, it's not even opened yet. So take this off. Nice. And Daddy, actually, can you help me with this? Since first of all, I'm not very good at pouring maple syrup, and second of all, I don't know how much to put in here.
Let's put about 2 tablespoons in. Not too much. So much you put on some pancakes.
Okay, gosh. That's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, okay. I really hope this works. I really have no idea if it's gonna work. I guess you blend it?
Top?
Yeah, right, sorry. We put the top on, and it's not quite locking in.
Careful.
Okay, so. It looks like it already blended up a lot of the aloe vera. I guess you go a little more, maybe?
It's leaking out of the back.
Oh, it is?
Back up here. I don't know why. This is probably supposed to be over in the front.
Okay, yeah, so you flip this around. And you can put this. Oh, it's smelling good. Actually, I don't know. It smells weird. I don't know if we should
Is it all the way down?
Oh yeah.
It's all the way on.
There we go. More blending? I think it's already blended up. I feel like this is more of a juice, and I think we're looking more of a smoothie-ish sort of thing. Okay. Okay, so this looks probably good. Try not to blend it too much, but yeah, okay. I'm gonna go throw this away, and actually we can probably just pour it out in this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I really have no idea if this is gonna work or not.
Are you sure you're not gonna poison yourself?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna poison myself. Doesn't look very good. I don't know if bubbles are good. Oh gosh, this is kind of scary. Okay, so, oh my. Oh. Smells weird. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Daddy, you want to try?
Sure. Pretty refreshing.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Nice job.
It's kind of like, I guess it's kind of different from like a soda-ish sort of thing. It's more of like, I don't know. I think the water just gets rid of a lot of the aloe vera's bitterness. And then when you put like a pancake amount of maple syrup, I think it actually like gets it like pretty good. I definitely probably suggest honey other than this instead of maple syrup, cause yeah, I don't know. just seems more proper to put honey instead of maple syrup. But yeah, this might be made again actually. It might not be that actually bad. So I hope I don't get food poisoning, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Weird. Very weird.
Do you think we should do an update tomorrow to show that you're still alive after drinking it? I don't know if I'd drink the whole thing right now. I don't know. I mean, we don't know, right?